In this short Instagram tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can view someone's Instagram story without them knowing. So for this, we don't actually need Instagram, but we're going to go to browser. So you can open any browser and you want to go to the website or you want to search for full size Insta. Then next up, you want to click on the website right there, instadp.com. So that's instadp.com. You can do this on your mobile phone and on desktop as well. And then right there, you can actually search for a username. Now, in order for this to actually work, the profile needs to be public. So you cannot do this with private accounts. That's not possible because otherwise there would be no point of going private on Instagram. So this only works with public accounts, but you can literally search for any username and you can view their stories without them knowing. So I'm just going to search for Gary V since he always has stories on his page. Now let me just wait. And then right there, you can actually select the username or the account. And then right there, you're going to scroll down. You're going to click on stories. And then if you scroll down, you can actually take a look at these stories. So you can play them. You can also just view them. This is exactly how this works. You can even download them if you want to, but this is how you can actually view someone's Instagram story without them knowing. As you can see right there, I can now play all of these videos. I can view all of these pictures. I can even download them, and he has no idea that I actually watched these. So that's exactly how you can view anyone's Instagram story without them knowing. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. Subscribe to the channel for more like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.